Alright, so we didn't make it very far. I don't have four-wheel drive. We had to turn back around. And so it's a little slippery on the road. Even though the temperature's 39, it shouldn't be freezing. But slippery enough to not get up the mountain. I love it for this snowman guy.
Yeah.
Somebody built cute little snowman.
I bet you they hit that guardrail right there.
I think.
Every time we go by PG&E, we go right back and we're like, well, they didn't make it far.
Sure they get that all day.
Look at that. Burnt out trees and then snow.
And we got a good combination of burned trees, snow, and mudslides.
Pretty crazy.
Down power lines right there.
Mountain life.
Good reason to not buy a house in Boulder Creek if you don't want any of this.
Yeah, nobody should buy houses out here. Everybody should probably just sell their houses and move away.
It's probably not made for most of the people. Like, mountain life is not for everybody.
Not for you city slickers. Go back to the valley.
I think most people move out here and think it's going to be great and then deal with all the road closures and lack of power, no internet. They can't get to their jobs in San Jose. Can't get out in general to even just get supplies. And then they end up selling just a year or so later after they get divorced and lose a lot of money. Sad, sad stories.
Mm-hmm.